Kyimco manufacturer introduces a middle-class automatic adventure scooter, namely the Kymco DT X360. The presence of this motorbike challenges the Honda ADV 350 2022, which was also just introduced. This motorbike has specifications that are not inferior to the factory Honda motorbike. This maxi scooter comes with an adventure crossover-style design. For its appearance, one characteristic that appears is the use of a duck beak on the front. The rear fender is still there, but for the top front it is removed and replaced by the duck beak, which is one with the front body. This motorbike uses dual-purpose tires with a checkered profile typical of adventure motorbikes. In terms of design, features, and also the engine capacity used, this Kymco maxi scooter segment is indeed targeting the European market. The name Kymco itself is well known as a manufacturer of sophisticated, comfortable and stubborn scooters for the European region. Technologically, Kymco is known as a pioneer in the world of automatic motorbikes, always presenting new breakthroughs in the development of scooters in the world. As for features, the Kymco DT X360 2022 comes with quite modern technology. The first is the use of a full digital speedometer dashboard with very large dimensions. The speedometer can also be connected to a smartphone via a Bluetooth network. There is a lot of information ranging from a tachometer, digital clock, trip meter, and lots of other information including traction control system indicators, ABS, and much more. Talking about specifications, this Kymco DT X360 2023 maxi scooter is equipped with an engine capacity of 320.6 cc. The engine has a single-cylinder, OHC, 4-stroke, 4-valve, liquid-cooled configuration. For its own peak power it reaches 21.2 kilowatts at 7,250 revolutions per minute. Meanwhile, the maximum torque reaches 30 Newton meters, which is achieved at 5,750 revolutions per minute. Meanwhile, for the small engine version, namely 276 cc, the performance is of course slightly lower than that of the large engine. This version has a peak power of 22.48 HP at 7,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 23.7 Newton meters at 6,500 revolutions per minute. For the price, Kymco Philippines presents 3 color choices, namely matte black, orange, green, and also flat silver. The 3 color variants are available for all engine options, both 300cc and 350cc versions. Meanwhile, the price for the Kymco DT X360 2023 starts at 229,000 Philippine pesos.